Good day everyone. I am Mega Kuta from College of Social and Behavioral Science. Today I will discussing about Triarchic Theory of Intelligence by Robert Sternberg. So before natin itakil yung ating discussion, ano nga ba yung intelligence? In psychology, intelligence is extremely complicated when defined considering the theories that are founded on this concept. Intelligence has been defined in many ways. The capacity of attraction, logic, self-awareness, reasoning, planning, creativity, critical thinking, and problem solving. So if we're trying to evaluate those words, we can say na intelligence can be defined in different ways. Like nabanggit nga sa slide na the capacity of attraction, understanding logic, which very usual na i-encounter natin everyday. Kasama din yung self-awareness, emotional knowledge, as well as the reasoning at planning na lagi natin ginagamit, especially in school. Every day we did different matter in life. Critical thinking and problem solving are also included na alam naman natin na very important, especially when dealing with calculation and something related in our general life. And we are already understand about intelligence, so let's now move on to our main topic, Triarchic Theory of Intelligence. Triarchic Theory of Intelligence is composed by Robert Sternberg. He is an American psychologist. It goes aiming help adult educators to understand your dynamic and interrelated of human intelligence and the potential na dulot nito sa pang-araw-araw na pamumuhay. This theory state of three of intelligence na i-discuss natin later. We have analytical, creative, and practical. This theory against the psychometric approach of intelligence, which only involve analytical intelligence. Sternberg believed that intelligence is just based in IQ score as a mga academic achievement, but moreover he encoded that human being intelligence also come to creativity or under ng creative intelligence at ng kanyang practicality with dealing different life scenarios na under naman ng practical intelligence. And now here's the three types of intelligence. Analytical intelligence. These phases involve analyzing information, problem solving, and critical thinking. An example could be mathematician utilizing logical reasoning and mathematical operation to solve complex equation, or scientists using systematic method to conduct experiment and analyze the result. Analytical nadidepend siya sa ability or yung kakayahan ng isang individual, like mag-collect, mag-process at mag-analyze ng isang given information para makabuo ng conclusion or ng isang context na plano. On dealing with this, kinakaharap na situation, this type of intelligence ay karaniwang ginagamit sa rangalan ng business, finance, at politics. Pero we can use it also with our daily lives, lalo na sa mga estudyante. We can use analytical intelligence when it comes to dealing with different like school-related activity, just like problem solving and doing essay. Ganon kasi kailangan natin mag-analyze doon ng mga data. Analytical intelligence is demonstrated by ability to analyze, evaluate, judge, compare, and contrast. And the second is creative intelligence. Focuses on innovation, creativity, and the ability to generate novel ideas or solutions. This aspect involves thinking outside the box, adapting to new situations, and finding unique ways to solve problems. And this type of intelligence, dito napapasok yung creative imagination natin to find solution to existing problem or situation. Sa concept na ito, creativity is used in finding novel solution through unexpected problem. Like for example, kasali ka sa isang contest na tungkol sa pagdodrawing. And then nakita mo yung kalaban mo na nagdodrawing siya na napaka-common na artwork. Kasi naisip mo na magdagdag ka ng element sa works mo, tsaka mas gandahan pa ang pagpili ng color na ilalagay mo para sa gano'n mas umangat yung gawa mo kaysa sa gawa niya. Pinapakita nito ang pagiging creative mo kasi naisip mo na magdagdag ng daming information or color sa gawa mo kaya mas naging maganda ito at makabuluhanan. Moreover, creative intelligence also comes with producing beautiful works of art, which can be through different artwork from individual, and also in the writing you can show creativity, especially in writing short poem or story. And the third and the last is practical intelligence. Pertains to the ability to apply knowledge effectively in real-world context, dealing with everyday challenge, and adapting to various environments. People strong in this aspect are skilled in street smart, social interaction, and practical problem solving. And according to his definition, pumapasok ang practicality ng isang tao or ng isang individual na tumutulong sa kanya to do his or her part about sa demand ng environment para sa pamamagitan ng pag-adapt or pagpili ng suitable environment para ma-pursue yung personal value. And goes another thing is that practical intelligence people has opportunity to choose what's best to them and define the ability that individual used to be. And a more optimal fit at kung saan sa tingin nila magiging madali at patient ang way with their dealing in different situation in life. These three types of intelligence are valuable and contribute to an individual overall cognitive abilities and success in different areas of life. Thank you for listening. I hope you learned from me. Thank you. God bless you all.